So very old. It is ancient. Ancient. This temple is ancient. Very old. So very smart is brilliant.
Say he's silent. He's silent. Silent. The room is silent. Icyumba kiratuje cyane.
Hi my lovely students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So I welcome you to today's lesson. This is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn English, Kinyarwanda and Kiswahili. I'm your teacher Eric Bunani. I'm here to help you to learn to speak English and Kinyarwanda as well as Kiswahili in a short time. So I welcome you to today's lesson. Waikaze mwisomo ry'uno munsi, je ni mwarimu wanyu Eric Bunani, ubakunda kandi ubazirikana numero wa YouTube witwa Language Booster TV ugufasha kwiga icyongereza, ikinyarwanda ndetse n'igiswahili ndetse ukaba wakivuga mu gihe gitoya. Today dufite isomo ryiza cyane, umunsi muzana isomo ryiza cyane rizatuma uvuga icyongereza gisirimutse. I have an important lesson which will help you to be more fluent and advanced in your English. So speaking with confidence, tangira kuvuga nikize, uvuge wiyizeye uko utangire ukoresha icyongereza kimeze neza cy'abantu basobanutse. In our daily conversations we need to use when you are describing things, or people, sometimes we need to intensify to show how the high intensity of something, tushaka kugaragaza uburemere bw'icyo turi kuvuga. That is why most of the case we use the word very. Inshuro nyinshi dukoresha ijambo very. For example, you can say very important, very good, very smart, very big, very clean, very cold. So dushaka kugaragaza uburemere bw'ibyo bintu turi kuvuga tukongeraho ijambo very. So I would like to tell you that today you have to stop using very. Uyu munsi ugomba gutangira kurekeraho gukoresha ijambo very in your sentences. Mu nteruro ukoresha ugomba kurekeraho gukoresha very. Rather, you have to start to use one single exact word. Ugomba gutangira gukoresha ijambo rimwe rirasa ku ntego. Don't go far, wijya kure cyane. Be exact, be specific, rasa ku ntego. So in this lesson of today, we are going to help you to improve your vocabulary so that you can start to use advanced English. Tugiye kwigisha uburyo watangira kuvuga icyongereza giteye imbere gisirimutse. So dear students, we normally use the word very before adjectives to show high intensity of such adjective. Dukunze gukoresha ijambo very nkuko nabibabwiraga imbere ya adjectives. Adjectives navuga ko ari amagambo asobanura uko ibintu bimeze cyangwa abantu uko bameze. Ari magambo tukayakoresha dushaka kugaragaza nyine imiterere y'icyo kintu cyangwa y'umuntu. So inshuro nyinshi dushyiraho very nkuko nabikubwiye ntangira kugira ngo tugaragaze uburemere bw'icyo kintu. So I would like to tell you that instead of using this intensifier, we can use a single exact word. Mu kigo gukoresha ijambo very, dushobora gukoresha ijambo rimwe rukumbi ryonyine. Advance your English vocabulary by avoiding to use a very in your conversations. Tangira none uvuga icyongereza gisobanutse wirinda gukoresha ijambo very aho gukoresha ijambo rimwe rirasa ku ntego. So if you find this lesson is helpful, nusanga isomo aricyo rigufashije, please subscribe. It is your first time. Kora subscribe niba bwo bwa mbere ugeze kuno muyoboro. Please click on bell icon kana kwazogera, click on all notification kandi ahantu handitse all kugira ngo ujye ubona message. You will get the notification as soon as the lesson is uploaded on this channel. tukimara gushyira video kuri no channel warakoze subscribe gukanda kuri all notification uhabwa message ya video nshya ikizwe kuri channel yacu kugira ngo nawe ujye uba updated na buri somo ryose, so you can start speak English in a short time. Ushobora gutangira kuvuga icyongereza mu gihe gito. Don't hesitate to write in a comment. Don't hesitate to show us that you are interested in what we do. Ntutinye kutwereka yuko ukunze ibyo dukora, cyangwa se you can ask a question, ushobora kubaza ikibazo, you can ask for clarification, ushobora gusobanuza, and you can suggest the lesson you want to learn next time. Ushobora gusaba n'isomo wifuza ko twazagutegurira. Alright. Another thing, ikindi kintu nakubwira, don't hesitate to share it to your friends so that you can learn together with them. Ntugire ikibazo, ntutindiganye kuba wasangiza abagenzi bawe isomo ndetse n'andi masomo tukugezaho kugira ngo ubashe kwigana na bagenzi bawe. So let us start our lesson, but before we start the lesson, please can you tell us whether you are interested? Watubwira muri comment niba wishimiye ibyo turi kukugezaho. Alright. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to use exact to adjective without using very in your daily conversations. Ugomba gusoza isomo ubasha gukoresha ijambo rimwe rirasa ku ntego mu kintu cyo gukoresha very mu biganiro by'ana na bagenzi ba buri munsi. So let us start our lesson. Don't use very, rather say. Don't say, rather say. Dufite impande ebyiri, wivuga gutya, vuga gutya. Alright. So the first word we are started by very heavy. Very heavy. Ikintu kiremereye cyane wakoresheje ijambo rimwe ryahuranyije. Very old. Ikintu gikuze cyane cyangwa umuntu ushaje cyane, twavuga ngo iki? Very smart. How can we say very smart? How can we say something is very hard? Nigute twavuga ko ikintu kiri very hard mu cyongereza bavuga ngo iki? Very sure. Very sure. How is it called? Which word can we use exactly? Very loud. Ikintu kiri ijwi rishyize hejuru rirangure cyane sakuze. Very tired. Which word can we use? So let us start. This bag is very heavy. Instead of saying very heavy, you can say ridden. Ikintu kiremereye cyane mu cyongereza bakita ridden. Very heavy. Ridden. So very old. It is ancient. Ancient. This temple is ancient. Very old. So very smart is brilliant. Brilliant. She's very smart. She's very smart. Can you say she's brilliant? The exam is very hard. Ikizami kirakomeye. Very hard. It is challenging. Challenging. Instead of saying very hard, you can say the exam was challenging. Very sure. I'm very sure he will win. When you are very sure, you can say I'm certain. Certain. Very loud. It is deafening. Very tired is exhausted. I'm very tired is say I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted.
Don't say the elephant is very big. It is very big animal. So very big. How do we say very big? Very fat. Which exact word can we use? Very good. Which single exact word can we use? Very rich. Very rich. Very poor. Very poor. Very poor. How? Which word can we use exactly? The room is very quiet. Which word can we use? Very sad. When someone is very sad, how can we say? We're using an exact word. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Which word can we use? Iri jambo twakoresha kuri aya magambo ko ugomba gutangira kwirinda gukoresha guca inkerera mu cyamo, guca kure cyane. To try to be exact, gerageza urase ku ntego. You can use one more advanced word to replace very plus adjective. Nuko ruvuga ngo ushaka gukoresha ijambo rimwe ryahoranyije kandi risobanutse risimbura phrase very iri kumwe na n'irindi jambo. So that is why elephant is a very big animal. You can rather say elephant is an enormous animal. Enormous. The cat is very fat. When something or someone is very fat, you can use obese. This cat is obese. This cat is obese. So it's a very good work. It's a very good work. It's a very good work. It is similar to say it's an excellent work. An excellent work. He's a very rich man. It is similar to say he's a wealthy man. Wealthy man. And when someone is poor, is very poor, we use impoverished. Impoverished. Alright, she's impoverished. Right. The room is very quiet. When certain place is quiet or certain person is very quiet, you can say he's silent. He's silent. Silent. The room is silent. Icyumba kiratuje cyane. I'm very sad. I'm very sad. When you are very sad, yurakaye cyane, you can say I'm enlarged. I'm enlarged. Alright. Anne is very beautiful. Anne is very beautiful. It is similar to say Anne is exquisite. He's exquisite. Alright. When something is very boring, ikintu kiruhije cyane, kirambiranye, how can we use? Which exact word can we use? N'ijambo ryahuranyije twakoresha. It's very bright. Ikintu kirabagirana cyane, gikeye cyane. How can we say? Very careful, very clean, very clear, and very strong. How can we say? So the film was very boring. It's similar to say mind-numbing. The film was mind-numbing. Alright. It's a very bright color. It is similar to say it's dazzling color. Alright. You should be careful before you cross the road. Similar to say you should be cautious before crossing the road. Wambuka umuhanda ugomba kwitonda. Be cautious. Alright. Or just be very careful. Alright. This class is very green. So this class is immaculate. Very green can be immaculate or spotless. Immaculate or just spotless. Alright. When something is very clear, when it's understandable, it is apparent. Ikintu cyumvikana gisobanutse kidateje urujijo kiba kiri apparent. It's kind of an apparent idea. Ni igitekerezo cyumvikana rwose. It is an apparent idea. Igitekerezo cyawe kiri clear cyane, birumvikana cyane. Apparently, mu buryo bwumvikana cyane. God is very strong. When someone is strong or very strong, we can say it is powerful. God is powerful. Alright. So dear students, how can we say very interesting, very bad, very cold, very scared, very hungry, very kind, very important, very green? Alright. So nshuti mukunzi wa Language Booster TV, iri somo rigambiriye kugufasha kuvuga icyongereza kiri advanced, giteye imbere. Instead of saying I'm very interesting. This game was very interesting. No, just avoid very. Irinde gukoresha very cyane. When something is very interesting, you can say it is. How can I say it is a fascinating game? It was a very interesting game. It is similar to say it was fascinating game. Alright. It was a very bad film. It is when something is very bad, it was dreadful film. The weather is very cold. When something is very cold, ikintu gikonje cyane, tuvuga ngo it is freezing. The weather is freezing. The weather is freezing. I'm very scared. When you are full of fear, you can say scared, very scared. But instead of using very scared, you can use one word and say I'm terrified. Terrified. All right. When someone is very hungry, it is not to say I'm very, very, very hungry and very, very hungry. So to show how that you are intensifying how hungry you are, kugira ngo ugaragaze kurura ushonje cyane kongeraho za very nyinshi. No, you just use one word and say I'm starving. Koresha ijambo rimwe uvuge ngo I'm starving. All right. On the other side, when someone is very kind, you are describing a person, you want to intensify how kind he is or she is, you cannot say very kind, rather you can say he's generous. All right. When something is very, very, very and very important, you can say it is crucial. All right. Alright, it's a crucial lesson. This is a crucial lesson. Alright, it's very green. When something is very green, you have seen that it's called immaculate or just spotless. Spotless. Alright. So dear students, this is the end of our lesson. So write in the comment and tell me how have you interested in this lesson? Was it fascinating? Was it crucial? Oh, just tell me. Or it was boring. Was it boring? Oh, tell me. Was it dazzling or not? How was the lesson? Was it mind-numbing? Lesson? So tell me if you have learned anything from this lesson. If you find this lesson important and crucial, you just share to your friends, write in the comment and show that you are interested in, and then I hope already have subscribed. Thank you. Niba wakunze iri somo, kora like, usangize bagenzi bawe kandi wandike muri comment tubereke ko wanyuzwe n'iri somo. Udusaba isomo wifuza ko tuzakwigisha ubutaha. Ushobora no kutwandikira kuri nimero WhatsApp yacu iri gucishwa ku rubuga 0728085379 0722885379. Iyo niyo WhatsApp yacu ushobora kutwandikira. We can help you to advertise. Ushobora kugufasha kwamamaza. You can contact us and chat with us in English. Sometimes ujya wiga icyongereza ukabura mu kivugana bitewe naho utuye. So feel free to contact me. Interested in helping you to improve your level of English and other languages. Ikindi ashinga no kubafasha gutangira gukoresha icyongereza. So ushobora kuganira nanjye through voice chat, through text chat, anything you prefer. Icyo wahitamo cyose, I'm ready to help you. So I'm your teacher Eric Bunani. So this is Language Booster TV. Uzabigire n'abandi ko Language Booster TV ari umuyoboro rukumbi wagufasha gutangira kuvuga icyongereza, ukwigisha icyongereza mukeneye, igiswahili, ikinyarwanda, ukatangira kuba intyoza muri cyo. So let us meet next time. See you, my lovely students. I love you. Bye.